Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your Instagram profile photo without changing your Facebook photo. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Edit Profile. At the top, you will see an option that says Edit Picture. Tap on it and then select New Profile Picture. Choose the photo you want to use as your new Instagram profile picture. Once you click the Confirm button, you will be asked whether you want to update your Facebook profile photo as well. If you want to change it on Facebook too, select Yes. Otherwise, select No, and that's it. You have successfully changed your Instagram profile photo without affecting your Facebook photo. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.